Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Kitchen trends for 2025-2026 is a concealed kitchen. What is a concealed kitchen? If you live in a small space or have a holiday home, a concealed kitchen is always a perfect option. Hidden inside a cabinet structure, the kitchen literally disappears into your living room, allowing you to make the most of the space available while living in a complete freedom. The no kitchen or hidden kitchen. Ways to make it happen. Get rid of the wall cabinets and other kitchen uppers. Place no more than 1 or 2 shelves. A line of tall cabinets in the kitchen. Make your pantry a Narnia setting for a unique storage. Include some freestanding furniture. The center of the house is the kitchen. It's the area of our home where we prepare meals, spend time with our loved ones, and cook. However, renovations are frequently exceedingly costly. You wouldn't want to frequently spend money updating that kind of environment. You want it to last at least 15 to 20 years before you have to renovate. The greatest option for a classic neutral kitchen is a white one. The latest trend is pairing white kitchens with wood that adds warmth to the room, whereas in the past, white kitchens were cold, stark, and futuristic. The colors taupe, ivory, and beige will be the most popular choices for a kitchen cabinet in 2025-2026. The hues work well in a variety of kitchen styles. They are a terrific substitute for white cabinets and add warmth to a room, which is the main reason why they are so popular. Additionally, they flood the kitchen with light. Painting your cabinets a soft cream is the least expensive option to remodel your kitchen. In 2025-2026, one of the most popular kitchen styles will be countertop hutches. These combine the aesthetics and functionality. Usually, a combination of glass and panel cabinets is used. Beginning last year, dark, strong veining is a trend that will remain incredibly timeless. Due to its traditional appearance, designers are predicting that this trend will continue for a very long time for a more lavish appearance. Use it as a counter and extend it to the backsplash. Useful kitchen layout designs. Establish a comfortable distance between the principal features. Verify that you are not too close or too far from the kitchen island. First, arrange the sink. Stove should always be placed against the outside walls. Remember to consider vertical storage. Sketch out a layout and see your kitchen in 3 dimensions. Get rid of wasted steps. Plan expansive walkways. Move people through the kitchen in a direct way. Avoid taking shortcuts. Determine the microwave's proper height. Establish the island's purpose. Plan the landing area next to the appliances. Think about the countertops. 3 key workstations in the kitchen are connected by the work triangle: the refrigerator, sink, and stove. The spacing between each should be between 4 and 9 feet, and this area should be clear of obstructions. Lastly, kitchen aesthetic. The materials you use should be the best you can afford. The style should carefully be considered so that in 5 years you still love your kitchen. 8 steps to a tidy kitchen. 1. Clear out cabinets. 2. Sort items that are similar. 3. Set up the cabinets. 4. Store items in clear containers. 5. Keep lids and containers together in storage. 6. Utilize the vertical space. Employ Lazy Susan. 8. Utilize drawer dividers. The best advice I can give you is to unclutter your kitchen. Period. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.